Welcome to the Drunken Bear!
Hello Bear Squad!
Hello! We're going to show you our Malaysian hotel room tour right now, so pretty exciting.
I'm so in love with this room. I can't wait to share with you. Let's start it.
Okay, so we're going to kind of wander around here.
First thing you would encounter is this.
Okay.
So heaps of storage, I love that, and I noticed that Malaysian hotels always have this safe. It's so good. I think it's really it's quite safe. Well, safe. There is an iron board that's really good for me. So this massive wardrobe is right next to the door. Oops, the sound was full on.
And now we have the luxurious bathroom part, so I'll take you in here. It's like a little step, which is always a little bit nice. So first up, we've got the toilet, which is your average toilet, but it's very clean, very nice. Tiles and everything. You got the bidet as well. So that's pretty cool. And then now, here we've got the shower with a massive shower head, which is really exciting. So, turn this on, try not to get soaking wet. It's got a nice stream, that shower. That's going to be really good. I'm looking forward to that.
We call this a sunflower shower.
Oh, do you?
In Seoul, yeah.
Ah, sunflower shower. I really love it. And it's really cool because we got this section here too, which is like an island bench for the sink, which is really cool. So it's like an open bathroom, like in the middle of the apartment, which is really fancy, really nice. We've got some hooks here for our jackets, which you'll never need in Malaysia. Absolutely never, I think. The lighting's very nice too. You've got so many controls of lights, I've noticed. It's like light switches everywhere. We'll head over to the kitchen, if you join me here. We've got our little bread pantry thing here. You know, you've got the kettle ready for the teas and coffees. We've got a tiny little fridge here. We've stocked up a little bit with Malaysian sweets, kaya jam, some bottled water. So that's a nice little tiny kitchenette. Here's our cool luggage. I've got the cool unicorn who's looking a bit dirty now, but unicorn's doing me well.
Dirty unicorn.
Dirty unicorn. A nice workbench for us, which is really great for while we're editing videos or doing our Instagram work. So a nice thing there. We've got the TV, which we haven't turned on yet, which I'm assuming it works. I don't know what kind of channels we'll get on that, so looking forward to checking that out. It's nice and big, and it's really high ceiling too. So even though the room is not so big, it feels really big because it's so open space, and it's really, really nice. Here we've got the beds as well. So they're twin beds, so we might move those together. So they're pretty comfy. Oh, nice and bouncy. Really good. We've got a little night light here. So many lights everywhere. I don't know what's controlling what.
Yeah, I'm so stunned with this hotel. We didn't pay much. It was about, how much? About less than 30 Australian dollars. Maybe it's about 17 US dollar, about that. The downside of this hotel is the fact that they don't have a kitchen. So I can't really cook, but KL has loads of dishes to offer in an affordable way, so we would probably go out.
And now for the view, if you're ready, Bear Squad. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Got the view of a massive tower here, which they're building. Petronas Towers are just over there too, which will probably be lit up at night. You can just make them out there. And this is our area here in Pudu, which is pretty close to Bukit Bintang. And we've got the nice greenery. There's always such nice greenery all around KL, so it's really nice to have that greenery around there. And you've got all the shops here and just the buildings in the background. You can see the mountains further in the background. I reckon when it rains too, it's going to look really nice out here. So absolutely so happy with this apartment. We just got it off Airbnb. We can put a link down below for you guys as well too to check it out. Don't have Airbnb, you can also click our referral link, which gets you 55 Australian dollars off. So that's a really good deal for you guys. And that's it.